I'm like really excited for spring because it's gardening time and the sun is out and it's pretty and I might be able to go outside soon, but here in Indiana, it's still going to be kind of like wet and gross for a while. So I wanted to show you some of my absolute favorite outfits that I wear that kind of make me feel like spring, even though the weather outside isn't really feeling like spring yet. Spring, because it's gardening time. And the spring, because it's gardening time and the sun is out and it's pretty and I might be able to go outside soon, but here in Indiana, spring, because it's gardening time and the sun is out and it's pretty spring, because it's gardening time and spring, because it's gardening time and the sun is out and it's pretty and I might be able to go spring, because it's gardening time and the sun is out and it's pretty and I might be able to go outside soon, but here in Indiana, spring, because it's gardening time and the sun is out and it's pretty spring, because it's gardening time and the sun is out spring, because it's gardening time and the sun is out and it's pretty and I might be able to go outside soon, but here in Indiana, it's still going to be kind of like wet and gross for a while. So I wanted to show you some of my absolute favorite outfits that I wear that kind of make me feel like spring, even though the weather outside isn't really feeling like spring yet. Let's do this. I have this adorable Monet sunflowers because I love sunflowers. This is like one of my laziest just graphic tees. I went ahead and popped on these yellow tights. They are spring because it's gardening time and the sun is out and it's pretty and I might be able to go outside soon, but here in Indiana, it's still going to be kind of like wet and gross for a while. So I wanted to show spring because it's gardening time and the sun is out spring because it's gardening time and the sun is out and it's pretty and I might be able to go spring because it's gardening time and the sun is out and it's pretty and I might be able to go outside soon, but here in spring because it's gardening time. Spring because it's gardening time and the sun is out and it's pretty and I might be able to go outside soon, but here in Indiana, it's still going to be kind of like wet and gross for a while. So I wanted to show you some of my absolute favorite outfits. I slip an insole in when I wear it. You don't really see it, especially if I'm wearing like socks or tights. And I know that that's a fashion taboo, but okay, these are really, really cute with the bright yellow tights peeking out. And I kind of don't do rules. If it makes you feel good, just do it. Like, just wear it. Just wear it. Just wear whatever you want, okay? I spent way too much of my life not wearing whatever I wanted. And now I'm 30 years old and it's all coming out at once and my closet is a mess. I went ahead and just popped on these really lovely earrings that I just got from Amazon. They are kind of this is actually silicone, so they're a lot more lightweight than it would seem. It looks like porcelain or glass. It is silicone and flexible. And I just loved the way that the colors and the gold kind of went with everything. Love it. I also added 2 of my 3 because I'm missing my third right now. Just gold layered necklaces. Or outfit number 2, I am starting with one of my Amazon basics. I love these bodysuits. I have them linked in the description below. They are amazing. They always come in a 3-pack, all of the neutral colors, and they have a really good, I don't know if you can really see the detail here, but see how the bra part is separated from the waist part? That means that this part has elastic, kind of like a corset, but it's not so tight that I'm uncomfortable. And it has a really good 3 snap closure bottom instead of 2, which I find a lot more comfortable with my body. I have this skirt. I actually snatched this from my grandma's closet a couple years ago because it was made for me. I love this skirt because it has the absolute cutest and most intricate little embroidered details on it, including some beads. And this is another skirt that, though it may look a little delicate, it's actually quite heavy. It stays down in the wind. You don't have to worry about it blowing up too bad. If you were worried about the cold, you can definitely add tights underneath and there wouldn't be any visual difference. You just would be warmer. This outfit is really simple and beautiful on its own, but I really like to add a belt whenever I can. And I just got this one from Amazon, this little medallion tie sash belt. And I love it. Comes in green, black, and brown. So I got green because I have a lot of brown and I figured the green tones would really work. And I think that this is kind of a middle tone between this and it works out really well. This is just another one of my favorites from Amazon. It is a long, kind of flowy, but kind of not, lightweight brown cardigan. I find that this is amazing just to pop over any outfit when it's a little brisk outside. I still have my same necklaces on from earlier. I'm gonna pop on my Thursday boots because these are just, if I had to add one last thing, this is one of my absolute favorite necklaces of all time. My husband gifted it to me a couple years ago, and it is a sickle and a holly or a mistletoe. And so personal to me, and the mixed tones of it make it really easy for me to mix all of my tones together. So I love that it has a little silver and a little gold in it. And I also brought out this bag. It is like a burnished, pretty orangey brown. And this is in kind of a snakeskin, alligator skin situation. It is definitely faux, but it looks really nice. Strap really digs in if you have a lot of weight going on in here, which I use this as a laptop bag. So I tend to carry it just with the handles, but I always keep the strap available. Also, extra plus rule is if wearing a bodysuit, you don't have to wear a bra or panties. So it's two pieces of clothing you don't have to wear or wash. Life hack, bodysuits. All right, for our last outfit of the day, I love two-piece sets because they are an outfit like that. Okay, and this one is very comfortable. It's got this kind of low V situation with the tie. And if it's cold out, I just pop on a nice cardigan. So I love the colors of this one, the yellows and the pretty embroidery on the sleeve. I really was worried when I bought it, but I ended up totally falling in love with it. So I think if you're skeptical about what it would look like on your body, here is my body, and it is on me. And I love it. It is thin as all get out, so don't plan on going outside if it's cold at all. But throw on a cardigan, and you've got a good run to the grocery store. Get down in the dirt in the garden because it's brown, so it's not really going to show a lot of stains. I hope that you found some pieces that you loved or some outfit inspiration. And if you did, make sure that you take a picture and make sure that you share it with me. I am also on Instagram at Freya's Try-Ons, so head over there and share your picture with me. I'm really excited to see what you guys are wearing for spring because I am just ready to be out of winter clothing. I'm ready to be in my spring clothing and I'm ready to be outside again. I'll see you next time in my closet. Bye.